Hi, welcome to Janice on channel. My name is Janice. Today I will show you how to install Windows 11 for free. You can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. First, you need to go to search button. Search for Windows Update Settings. Windows Update Settings. So over here, you will see that I'm actually eligible for Windows Update. It will auto prompt you that my system is eligible for Windows Update. Okay, so you can actually download and install here. Okay, so you have to check whether your system has or not. If not, you can actually look at your right side corner over here whether your system is eligible for update. They will actually prompt you and say whether your system is eligible or not. Okay, so you can actually download and install when your system is eligible, and it's totally free over here. Okay, then you can click accept and install. Okay, accept and install. So you can actually accept and install, then you will download. This Windows 11 is downloaded. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, then it will tell you, we will let you know when it's ready to install. Okay, so now it's downloading. Okay, it will take a while to download. So basically, upgrading to Windows 11 is totally free. You don't have to pay for it. Okay, so from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay, so that's all, folks. I hope you like this video. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.